Well, good morning. It's Wednesday the 25th of February 2026, and yes, I'm in the railway station. It's another rail and ride. I'm going to Tamworth this time. I've been there before, but the route I took back then was sort of to the south, which was very pleasant. This time I'm going north through Orton on the hill. Okay, yeah, looking forward to it. Mind you, the weather's not as good as it should be. It's okay, it's not raining anyway. Well, as you can see from my map, I'm at the railway station in Nuneaton, waiting to get on the train which is going to Crewe, and it'll arrive in Tamworth at 10:10.
Please be aware that fast trains come through this station regularly. For your own safety, when you are on any of the platforms, please ensure you remain behind the yellow line so that you are not near the platform edge.
There it is.
Staff may approach you if you are not in a position of safety. Thank you.
Oh, that's all right. Mind the gap, and they do whiz through a bit quick. But I'm just wondering now.
Western Railway service to Crewe via Stafford is delayed.
Exactly when I get on the train. I think it's because I'm stood next to these on ramps. This is roughly where the train pulls over, and this is the entrance to that sort of carriageway area where I can get my bike on. So let's hope I'm right. Thank you.
Welcome aboard this London North Western Railway service to Crewe.
Well, to be honest,
Please mind the gap when leaving the train.
will do.
And step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Yeah, excuse me, madam. I'm trying to record a minute here. Yeah, previously I did.
Passengers wishing to leave us at the next station, please move forward towards the front of the train due to the short platform at this station.
We should make longer ones. Anyway, yeah, previously I was not criticised, but someone said, "Oh, you spent ages at the train station before you got cycling." So today I'm going to cut this short, bar interruptions, that is, and I'll see you when we get to Tamworth. It's only a couple of minutes away. It's about 12 miles from Nuneaton, but the route back is going to be 23 miles, I hope. Okay, see you there. That's it, I've made it. The ticket, by the way, cost me about £7, that was all. Very pleasant journey, not crowded, but that's the advantage of being here at about 10 o'clock onwards. And still, with all the rail and rides I've ever done, nobody yet has ever checked my ticket. But of course I paid every time. Right, let's get commute sorted out and let's get going. And I'm fairly sure it's over this roundabout and off to the left. Okay, I'm not going left, I'm going right. I'm going in the correct direction. Oh, I just got past Bowl Hill Manor, which I know of because I used to go to a folk club there, Tamworth Folk Club. But at least I'm reading commute properly now. Got it in the right orientation, and I'm en route heading out of Tamworth. There's a bit of a hill on it. But as promised, I'm going to stick to power level 1 for the most part. It seems quite adequate. Tamworth Rural District Council 1930, a bridge over the canal. And here is the Stonehouse at the Pretty Pigs pub. I stopped here and went down the back garden, if you do remember, when I was doing a series on the River Anchor. Very nice it was too. Trying to show you the lakes at the side here, but you can't really see. They'll come to view a bit sooner. The lakes are part of a nature reserve where the River Anchor spreads out, and they are of scientific interest. I'm getting close to Orton on the hill, and yeah, I thought it'd be quite quiet, but this, I say it's built up. It's quite a nice residential area. Some quite big houses back there as well. So yeah, we're getting there. Just as I was saying, it was quite quiet. There's a bloody great big vehicle behind me. I'm going to pull in. Completely huge container wagon. Now the reason I'm doing the rail and ride, because this is all countryside I don't come to very often. I have been here before, but I seem to remember it's a long time ago, and I always recall it's quite open, and it certainly is. Not so many trees, and there's one or two significant, oh dear, that wasn't a pothole, it's just a lump in the dip in the road. There's just one or two hills, and here's one going up to Orton in the hill, and this hill, and I think that church is on Orton on the hill. There's that lorry going up the road, look. Wonder where he's going. Yeah, this is the sort of countryside I was expecting, if only for a while. As soon as I get over to the Burton Road, I'm in home territory then, and I know where I'm going. Oh, I'm going to have to use power level 2. Here we go. Mind you, I've only used 86, 14% battery so far in 9 miles. Now, this is not a completely accurate way of predicting how far the battery will go, but at this rate I would have managed 64 miles on the battery for the amount of uses I've made. So pretty good. Might be good for flying the drone, but I'm not going to. Got to keep going. Look at this. Great, isn't it? Hello. With reference to my last video, yes, I like a horse trotting by, why not? Getting quite high here as well. It's a strange bit of countryside. It's a little bit hilly and quite open. And some massive fields, look at these. Wow. Amazing. Love it. So it's new countryside for me, fantastic views, and I won't say sunshine, but it's bright-ish. It's fairly warm. I think it's about 9-10 degrees now. Could go up to 12 or 13 later today. So let's just turn this corner, and there's probably a seat here I can sit on and take a short break. To tell you the truth, a bit of a strange shape of a spire there. Ah dear, lovely. Absolutely super. Well, I'll push the bike across this bit of grass. If I ride it, it'll make more marks on the ground, which we don't need. But look at this. Daffodils, snowdrops. Absolutely super. Oh, lovely. Not a woodpecker, surely. Yes. A red woodpecker makes that hammering noise. Once more. Thank you. I know this seat is here because I came here many years ago when Margaret was still working, and I just finished teaching, and I went on a few bike rides, and I actually came here onto this seat, so I knew it was here. And very nice too. Lovely. This is terrific. Yeah, like I say, by going on the train and then get myself, poor old camera, you tired? What are you doing down there? Poor old camera was a bit tired there, had to lie down. Yeah, by going on the train, it puts me into a new area of countryside, so I don't come here very often. And this might be 15 miles away from home, so it would be a 30-mile round trip to get there and back. So it's nice to come here and just take in this countryside on the way back home, having got to Tamworth and heading on back. But I'm hoping to carry on over to Market Bosworth because it's a nice day, and that'll make it a one-way trip of about 23 miles. But I'm doing extremely well. I have to congratulate myself on the power level 1 on the Ulysses E28.9. Let's give it a flag up yet again. Here it is. Great bike, it's working extremely well. I'm genuinely not quite sure what that road was. It goes down to Atherstone anyway. Oh well. So, commute says keep going, so I'll keep going. Well, I've got a feeling this is not the route I thought I was on, and I'm just following commute. Otherwise I've got to stop and keep looking at the map and see what I've got to do, so I should be okay. I've got plenty of battery left, following my great discipline of staying on power level 1. What's this, 20 past 11 now, so I might have just to keep going to get home and not be too late. As usual, got things to do, people to see. A lot of bricks there, bloody hell. Yeah, I feel I've gone a long way north from Orton on the hill, and but this is a nice route, and I don't have to go into Market Bosworth, so I think I might miss that out and just cut across and go towards Coton, far Coton and what have you, near Upton, and get home that way. That'll do me. It was a lovely ride out. I don't often come out this far. I mean, I'm going to Coniston now, and I don't come out this way often at all, so it's very nice. So far so good. Bike's not playing me up. Shouldn't say that now, should I? But we're okay. What the? Very fast. Very nice. Right, let's have a sit down. Hiya. Oh, there's a name on this bench. Judith Birch, who loved this countryside. Don't we all? Certainly do. Well, that'll do me for now, and I'll say goodbye. Yeah, I've done 20 miles already, which in normal terms isn't a huge amount, but I have managed to do with it, as I've said a number of times now, on power level number 1, which is very good because it means I've done a bit of effort, and I've not yet used half the battery up, so at that rate I could get 40 miles out the battery on the Estali E29 28.9, which would be very good. Anyway, thanks for watching so far. It's been an interesting rail and ride. I've still got about 4 miles to go to get home, which I shall do as soon as I've had a banana. Right? Okay, see you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Good.